What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create Instagram bingo story templates for your Instagram stories. So recently a lot of people have put these up on their stories and a lot of people are wondering how to do them. So right now I'm going to show you two different ways you can easily and quickly make Instagram bingo templates for your stories. Now first of all, of course, there's the option to create them straight from with your Instagram story, and to do this you just want to click on Add Story. Then we swipe once to the right to the Create tab, and then we're going to swipe these bubbles all the way over to this one right here. Once we're right here, we have a type of Instagram template, and if you tap on a bunch of different ones, you have a bunch of different templates. But none of these are actual bingo templates. So if you want to create an actual proper bingo template, we're going to be using a tool called Canva. So if I just go onto my computer right here and we go to canva.com, Canva is the tool that we're going to be using to create these bingo templates. And there's a few different ways you can go about doing this. What you could do first of all is just type in bingo in the search bar, and then you'll get a bunch of these different ones. If not, you can just scroll through. They've got a bunch of different template sections, and you can easily select one of these and then just start editing it. So if we go back to our bingo tab, what we're going to do is just choose, let's just say Sweet Tooth Bingo. This is a template that Canva provides, and then you can easily go in here and edit everything about it. So I'm just going to change the colors. We're just going to change it to VEED Bingo, and then you can change literally everything just by clicking and dragging. For an example here, what social media platforms have you used this week, right? And then you can change everything about them. We can do YouTube, we can do Instagram, and you get the idea. You can basically change the color for everything, you can change the font sizes, and then once you've basically done this, all you have to do is literally just head over and hit the download button right here, download it, and then you can send this straight to your phone, or you can download the Canva app and download it straight onto your phone. And that is how you create Instagram bingo templates for your stories. If you have any questions about how to create Instagram bingo templates, please let us know in the comment section below, and we would love to help you out. If this video was helpful to you, please do hit the like button, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.